It's noodle time. Noodle, noodle, noodle time. Get some water in the kettle for my noodles, yeah. Noodle, 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 yummy, yummy. That's the noodle song.
Hey guys, so today we thought that we would try a challenge. These are extra spicy, extra hot noodles. Ben has tried the one previous to this one.
But this is 2 times hotter.
This is 2 times hotter. I am going to sit this one out because spicy food and me do not mix well. So,
but I love chili.
Yeah.
So
so we're going to make these up, sit down, set the camera up, and Ben is going to try and eat them.
Yum, yum.
I'm really excited to watch Ben eat these noodles.
Watch me die.
It's going to be really funny.
I'm actually a little bit scared.
Really?
Yeah, a little bit.
But
that's my favourite part of eating chili. Noodies are cooked. Avocado sauce.
Can we do it?
3 hours later.
Oh wait, I don't think I left the fire. Maybe I did. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, did you see that?
Oh my goodness.
It's like black sauce. Smells good.
It smells spicy.
Spicy. Delicious. Yeah, finally. Chili flakes, whatever they are, sesame seeds. There's seaweed in there. Seaweed and sesame seeds. I'm about to die.
I need to set the emergency contact number because if you die from spice, I don't want to not know.
You have to die.
Yeah, then you start convulsing. Because their body overheats.
Too bad.
What?
That's actually really hot.
Really?
Yeah. I can tell my whole mouth is like,
Oh my god.
this is spice.
Oh my god, that's scary.
You want to have a little taste?
Maybe I'll have a look.
Alright, pretty good time.
How are you eating that? It just went through the floor. My mouth is still on fire. That's so hot. That's the hottest thing I've ever
It's pretty
tried.
hot now. I can now start to be like, this is spicy. My eyes are watering a little bit now. But it's not like super spicy. It's making me like. But
Making me spicy.
it is hot. I think for the novice chili enthusiast, this would be a shot.
It's getting hotter. Is that a thing?
Yeah. It'll be like in your saliva spreading everywhere. You've had a tiny like I've eaten like almost all the noodles. You're feeling way worse than me.
It's like my whole mouth.
The worst part I find is like the sauce goes in your lips and then your lips burn. Like the burning lips is the worst part. Making me a bit sore now.
Oh, your face is very red.
It's really hot.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
My eyes are watering. Can you see that? I'll make a tear come out. Ooh. They come out?
You want some water? No.
What? It's like tingling in my jaw, yeah.
Don't get too hot. If you get too hot, we might have to put you in the freezer.
Oh, the nose is running out.
Fire breather. You're gonna have the best
Stingy poo.
poop ever.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, they don't know that you did it yet.
I'm sorry.
Show them.
I'm like,
Finished it.
it's really hot. It wasn't that hot, but now it's really hot. Like when you breathe, it makes it hot everywhere.
Put some water.
Apparently I'm possessed too. Yeah, a little bit.
Does it make it better?
Not really.
Keep drinking. I don't want that water anymore. You've put your fire lips on it. Oh my god.
It just like all hit me at once.
Yeah. I think maybe you're trying to put a brave face on and then the last minute. Yeah.
I think there's a lot of the sauce at the bottom. Oh. Is this too hot?
A little bit. Some water?
It's hot. I'm gonna die. My nose is burning.
Go.
Shushka.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my god. That's so funny.
My head is orange. Oh, I'm crying so much. Can't believe they killed Marley at the end of Marley and me.
But you really did cry then.
Right now or then?
Then?
Yeah, but...
Oh my god.
What?
Like there's so many veins coming from your eyes. It's like a vampire on Vampire Diaries when they cry. Oh my god.
Twist I am a vampire. That's just so hot.
Good.
Shushka.
It's actually so funny.
It's so hot. Want a kiss?
No. Okay.
Hot? Oh, lucky. My lips are hot. I think I'm good now.
You good?
I think I'm good now, girl.
That was Ben trying the 2-time spicy noodles. I hope you enjoyed. Was it spicy?
It was very
Can you
spicy.
confirm?
Very spicy, and I can like handle spice like pretty well. So there's just a 1 level spicy one that I can just eat no sweat, like yeah, so easy, so easy. For the 2-time spicy, I ate it, but it was hard. It's a spicy one. It's a spicy meatball. Okay, thanks for watching me suffer. Hope you enjoyed.
A burning now.
Yeah,
From you kissing me.
Kiss of death. Come here, everyone. Give us a like and subscribe. Don't forget to Lovelivexplore. See you later. It's noodle time. Noodle, noodle, noodle time. Get some water in the kettle for my noodles, yeah. Noodle, 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 yummy, yummy. That's the noodle song.